Good morning guys! So gagawa po ako ng video sa mga nag-request ng ampalaya with egg. How to cook ampalaya with egg. First of all, I bought my ampalaya at the market for 20 pesos only. Yay! Sliced already. So firstly, you have to put salt. Hahaluhin mo yan with salt. And then while doing so, you will boil water. Kasi i-rinse mo ito after 10 minutes ng soak with salt. I-rinse mo ng hot water. So while waiting for the water to boil, you must be slicing with onions and oust and bombay. Alright? And then stir egg also for para maano mo siya para mahalo mo siya later on. So nag-boiled na ang water natin. Tapos ilagay na natin yung pan natin para uminit na, aglalagyan ng mantika. Oil. Konti lang po para lang magisa yung mga spices. I-drain mo ito para ma-wash away yung salt iba. Ngunit may salty taste pa rin. Sige, i-drain natin. Okay. Spices. So, luto na yung spices. Parang good for the ampalaya to lunod na natin. Taktakan natin na magic sarap konti. So after 5 minutes of stirring, siguro pwede na natin ilagay yung egg. Then stir again, non-stop stirring. Non-stop stirring for around 5 minutes also. Yay! So it's done. Well done. To eat, everybody. So matikman nga natin. Yummy! May pait pa siyang konti. Pero hinahaluan siya na na-neutralize siya nung egg tsaka yung asin. So very nice to eat. Fresh from the farm, egg and ampalaya. You got it served.